In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Translate to your keyboard in iPhone. So the first step is to download Gboard on your App Store. So open up App Store and then search for Gboard. It looks like this. So now install it. And once it's installed, you can exit App Store and then go to your phone's settings. Scroll down until you see General. Click on it. Then scroll down again, click on Keyboard, then click on Keyboards at the top. Over here, add Gboard. So if you don't have Gboard here, click on add new keyboard and then select Gboard. It should appear here. And then click on Gboard and then make sure that allow full access is turned on here. Click allow and that's it. So now you can start using Gboard. So let's try it out in this Notes app. So if you type in here, make sure that you selected Gboard here. So hold on the globe icon at the bottom left and then click on Gboard. And now click on the Google icon and then over here select Translate, click Understood, and here you can just select any language you want to translate in. You can just switch to any language, as you can see, and then you can just type or paste text here. So let's just say hello there and then click on Translate, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.